Here is a tutorial for anyone to comment and share feedback on an asset on Niimblr, whether you are the creator, client, or collaborator. Adding feedback is intuitive regardless of the format you're working on. Once you receive notification that you have assets ready for review, you will have access to the project on your dashboard. Under the Ready for Review section, click on the project to view and comment on the assets. On the upper right corner, you will see a Ready for Review section, with notifications indicating the number of items to review. To comment, you can pin or draw on the image. You can customize the color and width of the drawing stroke. Under the comment section, you will see a list of all comments that have been added to the asset. If comments belong to different versions of the same asset, you can see here which version they belong to. When you click on a comment, it will display as the only comment on the asset. Other invited project members can add new comments and comment on existing ones. This creates a comment thread, facilitating easy navigation through the feedback flow. References or other material can be uploaded as attachments in the comment thread. Replies can be viewed beneath the comments. Click on Show Replies to reveal the thread. Once an issue is resolved, the comments related to it can be marked as such. Click on the icon next to the comment header and the entire comment will be removed. To review all resolved comments, select the Resolved tab. You can access all details about the resolved comments, including comments and replies history. If you wish to reopen a comment marked as resolved, simply click on the icon to reopen it. The Details section provides a summary of your asset details such as the name, description, version notes, and file information. The History section tracks the actions taken by users on a specific asset, from leaving comments to uploading new versions and more. You can visit this section to see if project members have seen the latest version yet, to make sure things are progressing according to plans.